let me ask you something. Have you ever been so dramatic on your birthday that you flooded your own house? No? Well, the girl in his started it. And not just her house. She flooded an entire kingdom. Curious? Then, listen carefully, because I'm Habibi Salman Mukli from MTS Rois Cendekia Semarang, and today I will tell you the legend of Telaga Warna. A long time ago, there was a kingdom in West Java called Kuta Tangguhan. Kuta Tangguhan was a peaceful kingdom. People lived in peace and prosperity under the wise leadership of King Swartalaya and his queen, Ratu Purbamana. However, after being married for a long time, they had not given any children yet. The king and the queen were sad and lonely. After a long talk, the king decided to go to the jungle to find a quiet place to meditate. He wanted to pray to Almighty God for a child. After a few days of meditating, King Swartalaya suddenly heard a voice. Stop your meditation, Swartalaya. So, you want a child? Will you love him or her if you get one? Yes, yes, my lord. I want a child so he or she can be my successor to lead the kingdom. I will love my child always, my lord. The king replied, Go home then. The voice said, The king immediately returned to the place and told everything to his queen. My dear, finally, a holy voice has spoken to me. Our prayers will be answered. Truly? Oh my king, I hope it will come true soon. The queen smiled with hope. A few weeks later, and the queen was pregnant. They had never been so happy before. After 9 months, the queen delivered a beautiful baby girl. She's the most beautiful baby I've ever seen. The queen whispered. You're right. We shall name her Rukmini Gilang, said the king with happy. The people in the kingdom were also overjoyed. After a long time, they finally had a princess. To celebrate the newborn princess, the king held a grand party and invited everyone in the kingdom. Several years passed, and the princess Rukmini Gilang grew into a very beautiful young woman. But the king and the queen always spoiled her. They gave her everything she wanted, which led to her having a bad attitude. However, everyone still loved her and hoped that temperament will change one day. As her 17th birthday approached, the people in the kingdom busied themselves preparing for a big celebration. They prepared food, entertainment, and a special gift. On the day of the celebration, everyone gathered in the place courtyard. It was a grand and joyful party. The king, queen, and princess arrived. And the moment, my daughters, this necklace is a token of love from your people. Wear it and let her hearts be happy, said King Swartalaya. But when Rukmini saw it, she frowned. What? You call this ugly thing beautiful? Are you blind? I don't want it. She slammed the necklace to the ground, shattering it into pieces. Everyone froze in shock, and the queen's eyes widened, filled with disbelief. My dear, how could you say that? Why you slam the necklace to the ground? The princess looked away. She didn't want to meet her mother's eyes. But the king was furious. He was very, very angry. Rukmini, you have dishonored us and your people. Pick it up. No. Tears began to come down from the queen's eyes. She was so sad to see her daughter's behavior. The king and the people of the kingdom were also sad. But suddenly, a big water came from the ground, and the prince just scared and screamed, Father! Father! What's happening is this? What's happening? And the queen cried, Rukmini, run, Rukmini, run as far as you can. But it was too late. The water flooded the place and the entire kingdom. Since that day, the kingdom was never seen again. And now, that place is known as Telaga Warna, or the Lake of Color.